You alright, mate? Yeah, good, good, good. Yes, people, we're there upon we even walk and we even walk in full circle, you know? Yeah, check it time, I say 5 minutes after 10 p.m., you know? So, 5 minutes after 10 p.m. Mm. Mm. Yeah, man, and the date is Tuesday, the 1st of June, 2021. Yeah, man. Okay. I will never walk that road, you know. One of them days we have to go challenge it and see where it leads to. And see where it's going. I say 20. I still have birds that make nice after 10 p.m. in England, United Kingdom. You hear them? Sound like a train coming. Yeah, yeah, man, see it there? Catch it, Manchester train. Yeah, man, we catch it, man. So we're going to Manchester. Yeah, man. No, we could hear a train coming and making all this nice. Yeah, man, them birds still a make nice, you know. Now got them bed. These are late birds. I'm up on a late shift. I probably sleep until about 12 o'clock in the day. Oh, God. Yeah, man. These birds up on the late shift. Do the late shift, you know. Yeah, man. Yes, people, there again for we evening walk and we evening walk in full circle. So we are headed up the road there. So I'm bus stop the right there, so. Bus stop in the road right there, so. Yeah, man. I know, man, no Black Life Matter bullshit in the road, you know. No, man. All that, not with no Black Life Matter. We're not in nothing with none of that. So we are going roll. Yeah, man. I don't get that. I don't get that message just people from one of this. I look for me. Yeah, man, I don't catch this. Yeah. Yeah, man, I see I come to a next bus stop in the road right there. Yeah, man. Bus stop mark in the road. Yeah, man. No Black Life Matter mark in that road. We ain't nothing with that bullshit. Yeah. No, with no Black Life Matter, we not in that. Yeah, man. No joke, people. It's in there in the road, you know. I don't know. Smell fire. Smell fire. Smell fire. I smell this fire like, you know, when rubber a burn. Strong in my nose, but I don't see no smoke coming from nowhere. I don't see no smoke coming from nowhere. But it smells strong in my nose. Well, yeah, man, smell. Don't like when them burn a rubber or tire. One of them smell that strong burn in my nose, innit? Yes, people, they up on even walk, you know. And we are do road. We even walk in a full circle. Yeah, man. And we are come all the way in a full circle. So don't surprise if we end up at Aunt Miracle. Because we are the full circle. Yeah, man. That's that bus stop right there, so. Bus stop marking on the road right there, so. Yeah. Take time I rub out, but we know it's there. Them sunflower. Mad out the road. Look at the time. You don't think them gonna put up? I gone on them bed. Yes, people. There. No joke. Yes. I think these sunflowers are gone on them bed, but I don't know what happened to them. Come like them not live nowhere. Yes, people. No joke. Yeah, man. Reach our next bus stop, yeah. Stop marking the road. That's what we like to see. No one see no Black Lives Matter bullshit. When you're up on the road and we see these things, we point them out. Yeah. Things you're not supposed to be on the road when you see them. We still point them out. Yeah, man, no joke. No joke. Yeah, man. Every yard you walk past, you see them cinema. Through the window, them big cinema. But that window they look like one duppy, I look out for me. Yeah. All the duppy there in England, you know. England full of duppy. No joke. I talk about bad duppy them too. Some long time dead. Yeah, man. Them can't go to heaven and hell no want them. So them just steerish part them dead. You know, some more racist dead them. How could you really make a bus stop this like this? Right in the corner right there, so some bus stop. Right in the corner. And, yeah. Right in the corner, see it? Yes. Right in the corner, bus stop there. No joke. No faster thing that crash up. Faster thing crash out in the road. Yeah, man. Yes, people, no joke. No joke. Yeah, man. Hey, God. Yes, people, no joke. No joke. Serious. Yeah, man. God bless Mother Nature and Father Earth. Yeah, man, for everything. You know? Earth provide. With Mother Nature team up and it just provide for us all. You know? Provide, it's there to provide for us all. Some people have the resource and the know-how to rob the earth of its riches and keep it for themselves. Because once you take it out of the earth and keep it for yourself, I rob the earth, you know, like riches. If you take it out and share it, yeah, man, everybody will benefit. Yeah, man, I make for document this. First time I see it. I want 50 pence. Tape down in the street, you know. Yeah. Somebody glue down on 50 pence. Yeah. Right at them gate in the street. Yeah. And watch people pass every time and I try to take it up. Yeah. All the time I walk past it. And I forgot the first time I see it, I kick it. It don't move. Like me know something alright, because you can't just put on this so. So somebody glue it down in the footpath. See it? It's a 50 pence. Somebody glue them in the footpath. So trick people. Whosoever thinks, oh, find a 50 pence and can take it up and put it in their pocket. No. It's glued down to the footpath. No joke, people. I have a laugh when I see it the first time. Yeah, man. See that one. Bus stop right there, so. Yeah, man, but that makes sense. So the bus stop in the middle road. Yeah, man. We're there at Waukee Road. We check time now. 21 minutes past 10 p.m. Yeah, man. Today's date is 1st of June. Tuesday the 1st of June. 2021. No joke, people. We are in England United Kingdom. AKA Slave Master Headquarters. Look like them clean up all the dark shit when they do over there, so. Over the yard. Yeah, man. When I pass the amount of dark shit I see over there. And them have kids over there, you know. I think of dark shit estate. So that. Yeah, man. Dark shit estate. Yeah, man. Come out of the bike person and we turn them and shut it. Yeah, man. Personal turn on, I look for me, I ride like that, no sense. Yeah, man. Favor somebody when I know to sit down on the bike back, the helmet. And him friend has shot it. Yeah. Two young lad them, man. I know them two, you know. Because they turn around and I look for me. They must think say to him have on him helmet, him think me don't know say him. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So, man. Put my thing there in the bin, that's a little bin. Yeah, I just back. I just walk with. Yeah, man. Them have a saying, say if you can't hear your ears, you go feel like your ass. An unruly cow, them get less grass. So one strong boat in the road to Ross. Yeah, man. So I tell you people, big up Stone on a video here. And we are big up Radio 22. I want to big up Investigation Celebrity. Yeah, man. I want to big up Kabul, Amon Ra. Kabai, Kalai, Amon Ra. Yeah, man. I want to big up David and Stacey Whitehead for them podcast name Flyover Conservative. Yeah, man. And Doug and Mike, Frag News. Yeah, man. And big up Prime Minister.com. And big up Mother B. Yeah, man. And big up Black Crow. Yeah, man. And big up Alia and Liverpool. And big up them two princesses there. Young princess that will subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, man. 10 and 11 them. And big up the two young princesses that will subscribe to the YouTube channel. From the canal. Them, with them artwork. Yeah, man. And big up all the subscribers them. And big up the haters them. And big up the likers them. Yeah, man. What's that in there in the road? Yeah, man. No joke, people. People you can like the video, you know. Not cost you nothing. You can share it, it's still not cost you nothing. Remember, you have to walk past the like button to go over to the dislike. Yeah? And you remember, if you subscribe to our YouTube channel, you subscribe at your own risk. Much love, people. Yes, glad. Much love, much love. I up off my video right there, so crazy love.